Hi everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to make the blueberry coffee cake in seconds. This really is fast. With these mixes, you just have the batter mix and then you have a crumb topping mix. And you just take your batter mix, put it in your bowl with a little coconut oil. And it's below 75 in here, so it's solidified, which is fine. Just mix it in with your water. And that's it. That's your batter. You can pour a little hot water on your coconut oil to melt it. It's melting fine though. It's mixing in well. And as you mix this, it will thicken a little. Don't be surprised that it's a little thin when you first pour it in, but then if you let it sit for about 5 minutes, it thickens up. And while that's thickening up, I'm going to show you how to make the crumb topping, which is taking your crumb mix. Step 2, blending it in with a little coconut oil and water, same thing. And just a tablespoon of water, not much. And this, you don't want it to be like a batter. You want this to be a crummy, kind of like a crumb topping. See how that blends so nice from the, actually it is nice to have the coconut oil a little solid for this step. That's it. And you put this on top. Okay, here's the cake pan. Now you see how this is thickened just in that short time. That's from the chia. Thickened up a little. So you pour that into your pan. Spread it out a little. And now put your blueberries on top. You can use fresh or frozen. And then sprinkle your crumb topping on top of that. Just little pieces of it at a time. Like that, just sprinkle it on top. You want a little bit all over it. Put this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes, and you have a beautiful cake. For more recipes like this, go to our website and check out our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.